Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I'm on my way to a time and travel estimate. This one's also in Jacksonville. It rained really hard here for the last couple of days, probably 8-9 inches of rain total. And there's a woman here, her name is Janet, and she's a little leery of having anybody do any work for her. She's had estimates that range from $25,000 to $40,000 or something like that, and she just doesn't know what to do. So take a look, and you guys, if you follow the channel, you know that we're going to solve this problem. It's not that big of a deal. It really is a straightforward issue: collection of water and discharge. Take a look. Just a quick note about live help and the free live help. I've been so busy, and I really want to do some more of the live help for everybody, in the WhatsApp. I'm using Zoom, and I will try to get that back started here. I know there's so many people that write us. I showed you one time how many emails we get. It's like 4,500 emails every week. So you can imagine just how busy we really are. But I'll try to get the live help started again for everyone that wants to join the group. Just kind of watch for the video. Sometimes I post it only a day in advance, but if you see that video, go ahead and sign up. We'll get you into the Zoom chat, and it's about an hour and a half, and basically I take everybody's question and try to answer that as quickly as possible. But what's cool about this is that you learn so much from seeing other people's problems, and I'll probably answer your question because your yard is going to be really similar to what you see other people ask and what they show. So try to look for that video. I'll try to get back to that just as soon as I can. So what we're looking at is a typical backyard flood, and you can see all the water back here. It's pretty bad, and we've got the lowest point of the neighborhood all around. All the water is coming to this low point of this woman's yard, and you can kind of see she's tried to do a couple of things. She's lived with this problem for 30 years. You can see she's got a little tiny pump, and the garden hose sends it out to the front real slow, but it does move some water. Let's take a look underneath the crawl space, and you can really see the big problem. Can you see all that? That's just totally flooded. So she wants to know, if we put a French drain in the backyard, will it solve this problem? I think it will. I think that give water a place to go, and it will go there. And you can see this water is actually the same level. See all this water out here? It's the same level as what I showed you under the crawl space. That's how I know if we put French drain and catch basins here, that we can collect the water, send it over here by the garage, put a sump basin, sump pump, send it out to the street. It will solve all of this water problem. So guys, this is Janet. She's the homeowner. She just wants to tell you something.
I'm going to put my faith in Apple Drains because I have run into roadblocks until today, so I'm very excited.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.